Okay, so after concept solving for natural logs, we'll have to move into solving logs that are not logs of e. If that makes sense. Okay, so let's take the natural log of 1 equals x. For example, what I typically do is make sure that I have my e in there already. Although I know that it's the base of e, it kind of helps me to see that I need to raise this to an exponential value. That way I can get 1. So I then take e to the x power equals 1, because base risen to the exponent equals 1, or equals the answer. Now I think about it, and I kind of go back to this part right here where it says for any base greater than 0 and not equal to 1, just this section. And then I think, and I'm like, oh, e is greater than 0 and it's not equal to 1. So that means that this must apply to e. And then I also think about the zero exponent theorem, which also has this starter piece. The zero exponent theorem is basically saying any base that's greater than 0, e, and not equal to 1, both apply to e, raised to the 0th power does equal 1. So since e to the x power equals 1, then we must know that x has to equal 0. You can check that in your calculator. This one's one that doesn't really need a calculator, but to save face, we can do on second e to the 0 power will give us 1. So, pretty simple. You can also do one that doesn't apply to the zero exponent theorem, such as, okay, so now we can attempt to do another number, another natural log of a number higher than 1. For now, we'll use 1,000. Okay, so first, set it up exponentially. E to the x (1,000). So you can try solving this the same way you would do a common log or any other log, which is basically turning both sides into So after setting both sides to natural logarithms, you should have the natural log of e to the x equals the natural log of 1,000. Next thing you're going to do is bring down the x so that you can actually get x by itself to set it up to solve. So you're going to want to bring it down in front of the natural log. That way it reads x times the natural log of e equals the natural log of 1,000. Now, as you can guess, we'll be using basic algebraic skills to solve for x. So what we'll do is divide both sides by the natural log of e. Natural log e divided by natural log of 1000 divided by the natural log of e. And that would be your x. So x equals the natural log of 1000 over the natural log of e. And that's what we're going to plug into our calculator. So we'll plug in the natural log of 1000 divided by the natural log of e, which is usually just second, natural log, and you should get 6.098 as the answer. Just write that here. .908 thousandths. And that's how you solve for natural logs.